Today in the grain market, soybeans did fall. That marketing year low in export sales really teetered the market a lot. This is a key reversal. I think the fundamentals plus the geopolitical situation, all that unrest is definitely creating a little bit of nervousness in the market. The correction, it looks like it has begun. That objective would go down to be about halfway back from the rally starting on December 1, and that would bring us back to $9.10 in that January contract. But we have to see if there's going to be a continuation of that next week. I mean, just statistically, I think that these kind of numbers will be in effect, and I think that the fact that this could definitely hurt the phase one signing. So with that hindering as well, that offers a lot more pressure onto the market. That's why corn today was lower. We did get a triple top high, but it just didn't hold at $3.92. We were really hoping for that $4 mark, but that was as high as we can get, coupled with investors really running to oil and gold with the threat of a possible war in the Middle East. I think has everyone a little bit nervous. But in the corn market, it did mirror yesterday's range. So in some ways, it's a little bit of sideways trade with just kind of the momentum kind of starting to slide a little bit. And of course, wheat, that retreated big time. All three exchanges really were hit hard by these war worries. Kansas City actually leading the way lower, almost by 15 cents lower. I think Minneapolis wheat was about 10, and the Chicago wheat wasn't down quite as much, but still that really kind of hurt the momentum to the upside right now. The threat of war is definitely a disruption to the markets, and certainly to any kind of shipping to the Middle East or to Europe, or pretty much anywhere in the world. There's some real upset here on what's going to happen with the U.S. being able to move anything. I mean, that's the scramble and the talk about which way we're going to go. Certainly grain trade is definitely disrupted here. And is China going to change their mind about signing that deal? And will we have any details about it? Though all these things are just weighing heavy on the markets across the board. Money's going to tell the tale if we're going to start to build momentum on the downside. If that happens, we have a little ways to go here, and I think that we're going to be rocked with a lot of volatility going forward, certainly for the next week or so.